My name is Tim Warren. I've been here since November of last year, so just about a year. I write oil changes, a lot of oil changes. Day to day, I handle the quick lane, so it's mostly all oil changes. Of course, we do basic services, so batteries, bulbs, stuff like that. I just kind of monitor up to 30 to 40 ROs a day. Customer comes in for that kind of service, and I just facilitate it. I'm big into cars, big car guy, bike guy. I love hockey. I play hockey as much as I can now. Ride bikes. I've always been a big fan of just get it done on my own. I know, of course, team is important, but if something needs to be done, I'm just willing to do it. I've always aspired to be more like my dad. Just his level of success and the way he handles things, just things of that nature. Just being personable, being prompt and direct and personable. Just, it's not just about the transaction. It's more about the experience, just being personable. Being yourself. It's really rare that you find a workplace that you get along with everybody, every single person. Everybody feels like friends. It's a big family. I mean, it really is. They say that kind of thing, and then you kind of think, but it really is.